Good day, everyone, and welcome to another exciting vocab lesson. This is Mr. Stitt, and today we're going to be getting into week 19 vocab for my 6th grade students. So here are the words this week: merit, perpetrate, devious, endeavor, eminent, and savant. Let's go ahead and jump into the first word. The first word this week is merit. Merit. Now, this is a noun, so it is a thing. It is something that you accomplish, and it is to claim to respect and praise. It's excellence. It's worth. It's something that deserves or justifies a reward or commendation, a commendable quality. So, merit is when you do something well. Say, for instance, you get an A on a test, or you win a soccer game. You have achieved something. You have found success in that thing. You have gained merit. Other synonyms for this word would be benefit, excellence, quality, talent, value, virtue, and worthiness. So you might start a sentence by saying, I gained lots of merit for scoring the last goal for my team. You might also say, I did not gain merit when I failed the test this week. Merit. The next word this week is perpetrate. Perpetrate. Now, this is a verb. This is something that you do, and it means to commit something. It means to present, execute, or do in a poor or tasteless manner. So if you are a perpetrator in a crime, you are the person who committed the crime. As you can see in this image here, this man is up to no good. He looks like a robber, a thief. He maybe has stolen the keys to someone's home and taken all their goods. He is the perpetrator of the crime, or he perpetrated the act and he committed the crime. Synonyms for this would mean carry out, to commit, to execute, inflict, or wreck. So I might say the man perpetrated the crime by breaking into the house. Or I might say the lawyer perpetrated the crime by stealing documents from another law firm. Perpetrate. The next word this week is similar to perpetrate. It means it is devious. Devious. Now, this is an adjective, so it's a descriptive word. It describes things. It means departing from the most direct way, circuitous, indirect, without definite course, or vagrant. But more accurately, it means departing from the proper or accepted way, roundabout, not straightforward, shifty, or crooked. So you can go onto a devious path, a path that is not typically taken by others, but it can also mean when you do something kind of wrong, deceitful, or devilish, like in this image here. So I might say Voldemort was a devious and an evil character in the Harry Potter series. I could also say um, any villain is known as a devious character in a story. Synonyms of this word would be calculating, deceitful, sly, sneaky, or insidious. Devious. The next word this week is endeavor. Endeavor. Now, this is a verb, so it's an action. It's something that you do, and it means to exert oneself to do or affect something, to make an effort, to strive, or it could mean to attempt or to try. So it's anytime you try something new, you attempt to do something. These people are endeavoring to climb the mountain that is in front of them. I could also say, I am endeavoring to get straight A's this year so that I can go on an awesome summer vacation. Other synonyms for endeavor would be aim, effort, enterprise, struggle, undertaking, or venture. Endeavor. The next word this week is eminent. Eminent. And this is an adjective, so it describes something or someone. And eminent means high in station, rank, or repute, prominent, distinguished. It can also mean conspicuous, signal, or noteworthy, lofty, or high. So anytime something is eminent, it's of the greatest quality. It's of the highest caliber. Like this man in this image here, he is an eminent general in the U.S. Army. He is an eminent person in his profession. He's high up. You can see he has lots of medals on his suit here, and that shows that he has been active in the service for a long time. He is a big guy, maybe a boss. So synonyms of this word might be big name, distinguished, famed, high ranking, or well known. Eminent. The next word this week is savant. Savant. Now, this is a noun, so it can be a person or a thing, and it's a person specifically of profound or extensive learning, a learned scholar. So I put a very famous image here of a man you might know as Einstein. He is known as a savant in the math and science world. There are painters like Picasso who might be known as a savant in the art world. Me, I'm an athlete myself, so I love watching sports on TV. LeBron James or Michael Jordan or any famous football player might be a savant in athletics. So a savant is someone who might be an academic, a bookworm, an expert, a master, or a sage. Savant. Well, thanks so much for joining us again this week. This was week 19 for my sixth grade students. The words we learned today were merit, perpetrate, devious, endeavor, imminent, and savant. Well, thanks again for joining us. I'll see you next time. Bye.